start over here. I got some PB&J sandwich crackers, and it comes 8 in a pack, and these were $1.08. I mean $2.08. I got these Sunlit pasta salads classics, and I got 2 of those, and they were $1. I got 4. I got some molasses, and I got 4 of these, and they were $3.56 a piece. I picked up 2 Pizza Maker Traditionals, and they were $3.28, and I got 2 of those. Makes 2 12-inch pizzas. I got a 4-pound bag of grits, quick 5-minute bag. I got 2 Velveeta cheesy bowls, the lasagna and meat sauce, and they are $2.74 a piece. I got 3 cocktail sauce, and they were 98 cents a piece. I got 2 48-ounce Mott's applesauce, and they are $2.78 a jar. I got the Great Value creamy peanut butter, which is 4 pounds, and they are $4.34 a jar. I got 2 of these jasmine in a cup, the minute rice. They're $1.84, and I got 2. I got this Real Crumble bacon, the 5-pound 20-ounce bag of the real bacon, and it was $11.98. Over here, I got this tartar sauce that was $1.02. The Sticky Finger barbecue sauces, they were $2.74. This one's my favorite. I haven't tried this one. The Memphis Original, and like I said, they're $2.74. Sweet Relish, and these were 98 cents, and I got 2. These have peanut butter crackers. 20. This is a 20 pack, and it's 6 in each pack, and they were $5.78. I said I wasn't going to pick up soup, and I changed my mind. I picked up a couple. They were $1.78, and I got baked potato with steak and cheese. I got the pub style chicken pot pie, the savory chicken white and wild rice, the New England clam chowder, the chili mac, the chicken and dumplings, and the classic chicken noodle, and the old-fashioned vegetable, and those were all $1.78. And I also picked up 2 cans of this fire roast diced tomatoes and garlic, and I picked up 2 20-pound bags of rice. One is jasmine and one is long grain rice, and that's right here. So that's everything that I picked up on this haul right here. Thank you guys for coming by. Don't forget to hit that like button, your subscribe button. Leave me some comments. I love questions and comments. I love to read them. I do answer back. So I I'll catch you guys later. Bye.